Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tripura Cuisine. Today's vlog is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you how to prepare two kinds of dishes from Tripura community. The first dish we are going to prepare is with fish, various kinds of small mixed fish. So we are going to mix it well with onion, turmeric, salt, and put a little bit of oil. We try to avoid using so much oil and also spices. We are not going to use any chilies in this dish, but if you like to add some chilies, you can. The very interesting fact of this dish is we are going to cook it inside the bamboo. As you can see, my aunt is stuffing the bamboo with all the mixed fish. So after completing your stuffing, you can use banana leaf to close the bamboo mouth and then put it on the charcoal because you should not use any fire there, otherwise the bamboo will get burned. It is just slow cooking process, so you have to wait until it is cooked. And we are just checking if it is cooked or not, as the bamboo is so long so we couldn't see what is happening inside, but we were trying if we can find the fish inside the bamboo. Before starting to prepare another dish which will be made with raw turmeric, I'm enjoying today's weather. It's windy and sunny and it's so lovely. Now let's start with our second Tripura traditional dish. Take some raw turmeric and smash it the way I am doing, or you can grind it in a grinder, or you can blend it in a blender, whichever you like. After smashing it, I'm adding some dry fishes, then adding some onion, chopped onion. After that, adding some chilies. We are using green chilies here, and salt. That's it. We are not going to use any oil in this dish. We're going to cook it on charcoal also, and we are not going to use any bamboos here. Instead, we are going to use the banana leaves. So with the ingredients, we are mixing it well and adding some water so that it doesn't get burned. Make sure that your banana leaves are clean. After mixing it well, you have to tie it so that it doesn't come out of the banana leaves. Now same way, you have to set it on the charcoal, and it will also take 20 to 25 minutes. These dishes are prepared by the Tripura community, so these are very authentic, and also some other communities prepare this kind of dishes, especially indigenous community in Bangladesh and also in some other part of the country. So if you think that you know the dishes and what it is called in your language, please give a comment. So first one is prepared, and now we are taking out all the fishes from the bamboo because it is already cooked. So we call it in our language is Washongo a Mujak. Washong means bamboo, a means fish. So that this is already cooked. As you can see the color, It's also very tasty. There are some fishes remaining inside the bamboo, so we are taking it all out. Now it's the turn of our second dish, which we call in our language Swlwi Mujak. Swlwi means turmeric. Wow, look at the color. It's just nice and also mouth-watering. If you haven't tried this dish before, try it at home and enjoy it. Thank you for all for watching my videos. I will try to upload more videos. Keep supporting me. Thank you so much.